At your company name, innovation meets responsibility. Join us as we unveil the
Watch out, forklift coming through.
Got it. Need a hand with this one?
Safety and environmental care are our top priorities in every top of tire recycling.
Control, this is Yard 2. We need another pickup on the south line.
Reroute the Horizon vessel immediately. Confirm the new ETA at Dock 4.
We continuously monitor and minimize environmental impact to protect our community and planet.
The truck tires are cleared for shredding now. Confirmed. We are ready for the next shipment.
Look at this embedded debris right here. Yeah, that's too much. We need to flag this one for removal.
Tires are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, oil, and labels, ensuring efficient processing.
All systems clear on the main panel.
Good. The conveyor is aligned and ready for the first batch.
Quality control ensures only optimal materials proceed to the pyrolysis reactor.
Safety is paramount during sorting and pre-processing.
Efficient workflow management ensures smooth and timely processing.
Efficient workflow management ensures smooth and timely processing. Magnetic separation recovers valuable steel wires embedded in tires. Rubber flakes enter the pyrolysis reactor, where heat breaks them down without combustion. Controlled high temperatures decompose rubber into oil gas, steel, and carbon black. The oil gas cools and condenses into valuable fuel oil. Steel wires are recycled, and carbon black is repurposed for rubber, ink, and fuel industries. Non-condensable gases are reused, making the plant self-sufficient in energy. Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the planet. Filtered fuel oil is stored safely for use as industrial fuel.
The valuable fuel oil extracted from waste tires is stored safely, ready to power industries.
State-of-the-art filtration ensures the highest quality fuel for efficient use. Recovered steel wires are bundled and sent back into the manufacturing cycle. Carbon black, a valuable byproduct, supports multiple industries worldwide. Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery of fuel oil to power industries. Steel wires re-enter the production cycle, reducing the need for virgin materials. Recycling gases power the plant, minimizing external energy needs. Carbon black enhances the quality and durability of everyday products. Safety and sustainability guide every step of our fuel and byproduct management.
Make sure that's double checked before we log it.
Already done. These are all set.
Safety training ensures a secure and responsible workplace.
Strict compliance with environmental regulations guides our waste management.
Our recycled products are carefully packaged and distributed to industries worldwide. Recovered steel wires re-enter the manufacturing cycle, reducing the need for virgin materials.
Carbon black supports multiple industries, enhancing product quality and sustainability.
Our fuel, oil, powers industries, turning waste into energy.
Steel recycling reduces environmental impact and conserves resources.
As you kind of thoughtful things.
Recycling waste tires creates value and supports a sustainable economy.
From waste to wealth weld, transforming tires into valuable resources for a greener future. Carbon black enhances durability and performance in everyday products.
Harnessing renewable energy to power our operations and reduce our carbon footprint.
From discarded tires to valuable resources, this is the power of innovation and sustainability.
Recycled products fuel industries and create everyday essentials.
State-of-the-art emission controls protect the environment and comply with strict regulations.
From discarded tires to valuable resources, witness the power of innovation and sustainability.
From discarded tires to valuable resources, witness the power of innovation and sustainability, transforming waste into wealth.
Recycled products fuel industries and create everyday essentials, closing the loop on waste.
Thank you for watching. Join us in making the world cleaner and greener.
At your company name, we transform waste into wealth, powering industries and protecting our planet.